it's good to, good to read the news and trust the price action at all times. At all times between trusting your emotion or trusting your feelings, you should always trust your logic. I think there was, your logic pretty much saved me a lot. Doesn't matter how I feel about things; it just matters, about my data. That's how you're gonna get survive out of this, because the market will exploit every single weakness that you have, and they will pretty much release news of phase three and be like, "Oh, yesterday we had a phase three that ran 800%. Let me buy it," and soon enough, it tanks. So you have to be mindful of that and stop out and not take a loss. Because I had traders take a loss on this one. The next ticker was pretty much green. The ticker went from 5 to like 12. So this example pretty much you have to erase it from your strategy to buy, because the stocks is up more than 70%. So in my course, I never teach to buy stocks more than 70% on the gap scanner. And once the stock goes over 70%, you should not buy this. And in this situation, you can see that the ticker went up from 5, went up to 12. So that's 130% in 2 minutes. And then there's no indication to buy it, even though it has a clean chart or whatever, and it can go up to 20. That does not mean to buy it. Even though you read the news and the news says positive phase two trial. It was just an algo spike, taking advantage of our liquidity and then dumping it. That's kind of like what happened here. So we had multiple pops and drops extravaganza, which I did not partake in. This video is probably going to be a much more helpful for the people watching it, like what to avoid. How to, in the market every single week, you have to, always, look for offense, 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 and that's fine. And but this week is more about defense. Once you have, like, say you have two losses in a row, you have to walk. Say you had two red days in a row, you have to take 2 days off. Say you have maximum loss per week, you have to leave. Say you have to maximum loss per day, you have to leave. Like those things, I know they're simple, but you have to apply them, especially in your trading and especially when stocks are just not moving the way you want them to move. So pretty much the next chapter. So this is actually where the good stuff starts. Amazingly, I do have a chapter in my book called Day Two. This is the Day Two continuation chapter. You go to my website. I have a Day Two continuation. Day Two continuation right here, about 48 minutes, breaking down all the details